Hello everyone, welcome to Pankaj Learning Solution. In the last session, we have discussed regarding chapter life. Okay, in this session, we are going to solve some of NMMS questions on chapter physics, chapter electric current and its effect. Okay, in this session, let us solve some NMMS questions. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Central Learning Solution. Let us see question number 1 of NMMS Physics chapter electric current and its effect. Electric bell works on the principle blank. Okay. Electric bell. What is the role of bell? To produce sound. Okay. Electric bell works on principle. Which principle? Option A. Electrical energy is converted into sound energy. B. Mechanical energy is converted into sound energy. C. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. D. Sound energy is converted into electrical energy. C. Electric bell. In this case, electrical energy, we know that energy can be converted from one form to another form. Here, electric energy is converted into, yes, sound energy. Option A is correct. Electrical energy is converted into sound energy. Mechanical energy is converted into sound energy. In, okay, mechanical energy is converted into sound energy where when we have to ring the bell. In that case, mechanical energy is converted into sound energy. That can be considered, but not in electric bell. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. Wrong. Sound energy is converted into electrical energy. Wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pankaj Learning Solution. Let us see question number 2 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. When electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is the blank. A. Electric effect of current. B. Magnetic effect of current. C. Optical effect of current. D. Heating effect of current. Here, when electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This question itself suggesting the answer. So, this is, yes, option B, magnetic effect of current. When electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. See, electric current is passing through this wire. Now, here magnetic field is created. Imagine your favorite actor or politician or any celebrity is walking on the road. Now what happens? People surround them. They attract people. Similarly here, when current passes through wire, here it creates magnetic field. Creates magnetic field. So it acts like magnet. This is called magnetic effect of current. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 3 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. When the current flowing through the fuse wire exceeds the safety limit, then it will, breaking the circuit. We have to fill this blank. A. Damage the circuit. B. Make the circuit remain connected. C. Melt away. D. Remain the same. Which one is correct? When current flowing through the fuse wire exceeds the safety limit. Usually, this fuse wire is made up of low melting point wire and having high resistance. That fuse wire will be having low melting point and high resistance. So when current flows through that fuse wire, if it exceeds the safety limit, if the overload, in case of overload, then what happens? That wire melts away. So the correct option is option C, melt away. When the current flowing through the fuse wire exceeds the safety limit, this wire melt away. I will melt today, so your home stays safe every day. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 23 taking 4. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 4 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Who discovered that when a compass needle is kept near an electric circuit in which current is flowing, it deflects? Okay, who discovered that? See, compass needle which is affected by magnetic field, right? Which deflects when we keep it near magnetic field. Now, here, when electric current is flowing through some wire, then some scientists or, okay, one scientist observed that magnetic needle is deflecting, which means there is magnetic field. Who created magnetic field? That electric circuit created magnetic field. Who discovered this concept? Yes, Newton. Wrong. B. Michael Faraday. Wrong. C. Galileo. Wrong. D. Oersted. Yes. Oersted is the correct answer. See, when electricity passes through wire, then what happens? Magnetic field is created. So, when we place this compass box near or compass near this magnetic field, it deflects, indicating there is magnetic field. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 5 of NMMS physics chapter electric current and its effect, which is attracted by an electromagnet. Electromagnet means that a wire or object which acts like magnet when electricity is passing through it, which is called electromagnet. Now, electromagnet attracts which type of objects? Ferromagnet objects. Usually electromagnet attracts ferromagnet objects. Here, which one is ferromagnet? A iron? Yes, iron, nickel, cobalt are examples for ferromagnet. A is correct, iron. B, rubber. No, rubber is wrong. C, wood. Wrong. D, plastic. Wrong. Correct option is option A, iron. Iron is correct. Iron is attracted by an electromagnet. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 6 of NMMS physics chapter electric current and its effect. The heat energy produced by a glowing bulb can be minimized by using which type of bulb in place of ordinary electric bulb. Okay. Heat energy produced by a glowing bulb can be minimized. If we use incandescent bulbs, they produce large amount of heat. So we can replace that incandescent bulbs by, yes, or with, we can replace them with PFL bulbs. This is correct answer. Compact fluorescent lamp bulb. PFL full form compact fluorescent lamp. A, torch, wrong. C, kerosene lamp, wrong. D, candle, wrong. These three are not bulbs. CFL bulb is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 7 of NMMS physics chapter electric current and its effect. The wire which melts and breaks the circuit when large current is allowed to flow through it is called, okay, A, connecting wire, B, electric wire, C, fuse wire, D, filament. This one is correct. The wire which melts and breaks the circuit when large current is allowed to flow through it is called a connecting wire. Is this correct? No. Connecting wire connects two wires. B, electric current, electric wire. No. C, fuse wire. Yes. Fuse wire is correct. D, filament. Filament is the wire that present in bulb. C, fuse wire is correct. Here, when the current flowing through the fuse wire exceeds the safety limit, then it melts away. It melts away and it breaks the connection. Thus, it assures safety. Here, Fuse wire is the correct answer, which melts and breaks the circuit when large current is allowed to flow through it. During overload, this is very important. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 8 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. A glowing filament will be at the temperature of ice, at a low temperature, C. At atmospheric temperature, D. At high temperature. A glowing filament will be this is glowing filament. This will be at the temperature of ice? No. Here what happens when electricity passes through this bulb? Actually, this filament is made up of high resistant wire here, which is having high resistance, which resists the flow of current. So, heat energy is produced. Then what about the temperature? Option D is correct, at high temperature. It will be at high temperature. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 9 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. This mark ensures the quality of appliances and safety of users. Which mark ensures the quality of appliances and safety of users? A. ISI, B. IAS, C. Hallmark, D. MBA. I can directly eliminate IAS and MBA. Yes, ISI and Hallmark. Which one is correct? Yes, ISI is correct. This is ISI mark. It ensures the quality of appliances and safety of users. ISI mark means you can trust what you use. ISI mark a mark of quality, a promise of safety. What about hallmark? It certifies the purity of precious metals, just like gold or silver. You may heard about hallmark. This is wrong answer. Therefore, the correct option is option A, ISI. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 10 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Filament of electric cooker is made up of tungsten, zinc, nichrome, carbon. Which one is correct? See, electric cooker works on the principle of heating, uh, heating effect of electric current. Here, when electric current is passing through some wire, then what happens? Heat energy is produced when they oppose or resist the flow of current. Then heat energy is produced. Based on this principle, electric cooker works. Because in electric cooker, heat energy is essential for boiling purpose. Okay. Filament of electric cooker is made up of tungsten. No. Wrong. B. Zinc. Wrong. Nichrome. Yes. Nichrome is the correct answer. D. Carbon is wrong. Why nichrome is used? High resistance, which opposes flow of current, withstands high temperature. Even though the temperature is high, it doesn't melt, does not oxidize easily, long lasting and safe. We can use it for long time. So next time you cook, remember I, that is make it hot and happen. It withstands with high temperature and heat of safety. That's why filament of electric cooker is made up of nitrile. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 11 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Symbol of fuse is. First symbol represents, yes, this is cell. Second one is fuse. Third one is wire bridge. Here there is no electrical connection. Fourth one is battery. This is battery. Okay, cell. In this case, this uh, long line representing positive terminal and this short line representing negative terminal. Similarly, here positive and negative. This represents fuse. Second one. Therefore, the correct option is option B, figure 2. Retaking. Retaking 11. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 11 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its symbol of fuse is. See, this figure 1 shows symbol of cell. This long line represents positive terminal and short line represents negative terminal of cell. The second one represents, yes, fuse. Therefore, option B is correct. Figure 2 represents fuse. Symbol of fuse is figure 2. Third one, this represents wire bridge. Here, two wires are not electrically connected. Fourth one, this is battery. Here, multiple cells are connected. This is battery. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Therefore, the correct option is option B. Figure 2 is the symbol of fuse. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 12 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. What does the symbol shown represent? Okay, this is the symbol. What does this represent? A cell, B, switch off mode, C, glowing bulb, D, switch on mode. Which one is correct? Cell. Cell is represented like this. See, this is positive terminal and this is negative part. This is the symbol of cell. Switch off mode, which means no electricity is passing. There is break in connection. Yes, here this representing break in connection. There is no connectivity between these two edges or these two points. So, which is in switch off mode. Option B is correct. Switch off mode. Glowing bulb. Glowing bulb is shown like this. It is glowing bulb, or sometimes we write circle and then glowing. Switch on mode. Switch on mode will be like this. This is switch on mode. There is connection between these two wires. switch on. Here the correct option is option B, switch off mode. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Retaking 13. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 13 of NMMS physics chapter electric current and its effect. Which bulb consumes more power? A. Fluorescent bulb. B. CFL. C. LED bulb. D. Incandescent bulb. Which one is the correct answer? Here, which bulb consumes less power? LED. LED consumes less power. After that, fluorescent bulb. Fluorescent bulb. Then, next one is CFL. Sorry. Second one is CFL. Then fluorescent. CFL is compact fluorescent lamp. LED bulb, light emitting diode. LED means light emitting diode. The last one is incandescent. Usually, these incandescent bulbs, in recent years, incandescent bulbs are replaced by this LED, right? So, here, incandescent bulbs consume more energy. D is correct. Incandescent bulb. You can experience it. See, this LED converts maximum amount of its energy to light. But here, incandescent bulb, which uh, consumes more energy, but its efficiency is less, which produces less amount of light. Therefore, the correct option is option D, incandescent bulb, which consumes more power. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 14 of NMMS Physics chapter electric current. Which of the following generates electricity? A. Fuse. B. Cells. C. Wires. D. Bulb. Which generates electricity? Yes, cell is the correct answer. Cell generates electricity. I may be small, but I have got the power to light up the world. A small cell, a big source of energy. Yes. This is the okay. Cell generates electricity. Here, fuse. Fuse is the arrangement which breaks down when high amount of electric current is passed. Fuse is wrong. See, wires. Wires are just like roads for transportation. They allow electricity to pass through them. D, bulbs. Bulbs are wrong. They convert electric energy into light energy. They don't generate electricity. Correct answer is option B, cell. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 15 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. Positive electrode is called A. Electrolyte, B. Cathode, C. Anode, D. Fuse. Positive electrode is called positive electrode attract which type of particles? Positive attract negative particles. See, ions which are having positive charges are called cation. Remember this point. Ions having negative charge on them are called anion. Now, the electrode which attract cation are called cathode. Electrode which attract anions are called anode. To attract cation, which means to attract positive charge, that electrode should have negative charges on it. So, the uh, positive electrode is called positive electrode attract negative ions. So, it is called, yes, anode. Since its positive electrode attracts anions, it is called anode. See, anode, the positive terminal. Anode is the positive terminal. Electrons flow into the anode. It attracts negative ions. Since it is having positive charge, it attracts negative ions. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 16 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. Negative electrode is called, again we know that cations are ions having positive charge, anions are ions having negative charge. Now, electrodes which attract cation are called cathodes. Electrodes which attracts anions are called anodes. Now, negative electrode is called, negative electrode attracts cation, positive charges. So, it is called cathode. Option D is correct. Cathode is the correct answer. Cathode is the negative terminal. Electrons flow out from the cathodes. It attracts positive ions. It attracts positive ions. Thank you. retaking 15 and 16 both. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 15 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effects. Positive electrode is called A. Electrolyte, B. Cathode, C. Anode, D. Fuse. C. Ions which are having positive charge are called as cation, and ions having negative charges are called as anion. Here, electrode which attract cations are called as cathode, whereas electrodes which attract anions are called as anodes. Now, here, positive electrode means that electrode attract which type of ion? Negative ion. See, if this is positive electrode, it attracts, yes, negative charges, which means anions. Electrode that attracts anions are called anode. Option C is correct. Anode. Anode is the positive terminal. It attracts negative ions. It is where oxidation occurs. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 16 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Negative electrode is called A. Fuse, B. Electrolyte, C. Anode, D. Cathode. Which one is the correct? Fuse, wrong. Electrolyte, wrong. C. Anode. Anode which attracts negative ion. So, this is wrong. D. Cathode. See, cathodes are the electrodes which attracts cations. Cations means they are having positive charges. Ions having positive charges. Cathode attracts positive charges. Here, which can attract positive charge? That is negative charge. Negative charge attract positive charge. Here, therefore, negative electrode is electrode having negative charges which attracts positive charges. Electrode which attracts cations or positive charges are called, yes, D. Cathode. Option D. Cathode is the correct answer. It is negative terminal. It attracts positive ion. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 17 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Which of the following works on heating effect of electric current? Heating effect of electric current means when electricity is passed through any object, it produces heat. Which works on this concept or this heating effect of electric current? A. Hair dryer. Yes, here using electricity we generate hot air. Here heat is generated. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Hair dryer. Heating effect of electric current. So the hair dryer works on the heating effect of electric current, turning electricity into heat to dry your hair. This is correct. B. Electric lift. Wrong. Escalator. Wrong. In both electric lift and escalator, electric energy is converted to mechanical energy. D. Electric crane. No. This electric crane works on magnetic effect of electric current, not heating effect of electric current. Therefore, the correct option is option A, hair dryer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 18 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Which of the following works on magnetic effect of electric current? What is magnetic effect of electric current? When electricity is passed through circuit, then magnetic field is generated. Here, which works on this principle or this effect? A. Hair dryer. In previous question, we discussed about hair dryer. In this case, electricity is generated to heat energy. This hair dryer works on heat effect of electric current. Therefore, A is wrong. Electric crane. Yes, this is correct. Electric crane. See, this is electric crane. Electric crane works on magnetic effect of electric current. How it works? Electric current flows through the coil of the crane. If this electricity is passed through crane, then what happens? Coil becomes magnet and attracts metal. This crane or this coil becomes magnet and attracts metal. And when current stops, magnetism disappears and metal is released. Okay. Retaking 18. Retaking 18. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 18 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Which of the following works on magnetic effect of electric current? Okay, magnetic effect of electric current. Here, magnetic effect of electric current means when electricity passes through electric circuit, then magnetic field is generated around it. It is called magnetic effect of electric current. Option A, hair dryer. Hair dryer, in previous question we discussed that hair dryer works on heating effect of electric current. So A is wrong. B, electric crane. Yes, electric crane is correct. Electric crane works on magnetic effect of electric current. Here, how it works? Electricity passes through this coil, then magnetic field is generated. That magnet, it acts like magnet and it attracts some ferromagnets like iron, cobalt, nickel material. Then when current stops, then it releases all these metals. Thus, it acts like, okay, thus it works on magnetic effect of electric current. The electric kettle works on again heating effect of electric current. Electric iron box, this also works on heating effect of electric current. Therefore, the correct option is option B, electric crane. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 19 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Safety device in the electric circuit is a bulb, insulated wire, fuse, cell. Here, cell which generate electricity. This is not considered as safety device in electric circuit. Therefore, D is wrong. This is considered as electricity generation. Okay. Fuse. Option C. Fuse is correct. Here, fuse is safety device in electric circuit. When the current flowing through the fuse wire exceeds the safety limit, in that case, this fuse wire melts away. So it breaks the connection. It breaks the flowing of or electricity, flowing of electricity. B, insulated wire. Insulated wire, wrong. Bulb, wrong. Fuse is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 20 of NMMS Physics retaking 20. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 20 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effects. This will automatically turn off when electricity in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. Option A, ceramic fuse. Wrong. B, glass fuse. Wrong. C, bulb. Wrong. D, MCB. Yes, MCB is correct answer. MCB is miniature circuit breaker. When it detects there is some abnormality, just like overload or short circuit is happening, in that case, it automatically turn off. It cuts off the power supply. MCB automatically turn off when electricity in circuit exceeds the safety limit. You may you may saw this type of pictures, right? These are MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Here in ceramic fuse, what happens? It is having a wire whose melting point is low and resistance is quite high. When excess amount of light, sorry, current passes through it, then it melts away. This is not actually considered as automatic. The correct option is option D, MCB. This will automatically turn off when electricity in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 21 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effects. Glowing bulb is shown as blank in the circuit diagram. Okay, you have to choose which one shows glowing bulb. Which symbol is correct for glowing bulb? A. Okay, this represents bulb and these arrows pointing outward representing emission of light. So, yes, this is correct. It's showing the glowing bulb. Therefore, option A is correct. Figure 1 is glowing bulb. Second one, it represents off bulb, not glowing. This is off bulb. No light is emitting. Third one. Here, this represents switch off mode. Switch off mode, not bulb. Fourth one represents wire bridge. This represents there is no connection between two wires. Therefore, the correct option is option A, figure 1, represents glowing bulb. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 22 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. When the switch is in on position, the circuit is set to be, okay, switch on means this is one wire and this is one wire. Yes, this is switch on position, right? Switch is in on position, the circuit is set to be. Okay, you say switch on the fan, switch on the television, like that, which means that circuit is open? No. If circuit is open, there is no electricity flow. Yes, option B is correct. It is closed. Closed is correct one. When the switch is in on position, the circuit is said to be closed. Here, this is closed. D, both 1 and 3 wrong. C, incomplete, wrong. Closed is correct. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 23 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. When the switch is in off position, the circuit is said to be open, closed, complete. D, both 1 and 3. Which one is correct? C, positive and negative terminal of the cells. Now, if switch is in off position, which means this is switch off position. There is no connection between this edge and this edge, or this end and this end. So, whether this circuit is closed or open? Yes, correct option is option A, open. B, closed, wrong. C, complete, wrong. D, both 1 and 3, wrong. This is open. Whenever you don't want fan, running fan, then you say switch off the fan, switch off the TV, which means you are cutting off that electricity supply or not supply, electric flow or electricity flow. You are cutting that connection. So it is open. When the switch is in off position, the circuit is said to be open. Thank you. Retaking 23. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 23 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. When the switch is in off position, the current circuit is said to be. See, in last question or in previous question, we discussed about switch on. Here in this case, this symbol represents switch off position, which means there is no connection between this positive and negative terminal of the battery or cell. So the circuit is said to be open, not closed. Therefore, A is correct, option A. When you don't want TV or fan, you say switch off the fan, switch off the TV, which means that circuit is open when there is no flow of current. Electric current, there is no flow of electric current means circuit is open. It is in switch off mode. So the correct option is option A, open. B, closed. If it is closed, then current flows, which is in switch on mode. C, complete. No. D, both 1 and 3 wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 24 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. Current passes through the circuit when the circuit is A, open, B, closed, C, complete, D, both 2 and 3. That is B and C. Which one is correct? Current passes through the circuit when the circuit is closed and complete. Option D is correct, both 2 and 3. See here, when positive and negative terminals of the battery or cell are connected, then we say it is closed or complete circuit. If there is disconnection, then it is open circuit. If it is in switch off mode, then it is open circuit. If it is in switch on mode, then it is closed circuit. Or complete circuit. Circuit is completed. Therefore, the correct option is option D, both 2 and 3, both closed and complete. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 25 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. The thin wire in the bulb is called. This thin wire in the bulb is called A, filament, B, coil, C, fuse, D, electrolyte. We know C, fuse and D, electrolyte, these are wrong. What about A and B, filament and coil? Yes, the correct option is option A, filament. Filament is the correct option. Coil is wrong. This is called filament. Usually this incandescent bulb having tungsten filament, which produces more amount of heat. Thus, it glows. This is filament. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 26 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. When a bulb gets fused, the electric current, when bulb gets fused, here, bulb getting fused means what? Here that filament, in last question we studied about filament, that tungsten filament melts or is called fuse. In that case, what about electric current? A flows in the circuit. B does not flow. After some time flow. D can't say. Which one is better? B does not flow is the correct answer. When bulb gets fused, the electric current does not flow. Therefore, we that bulb can't glow. Correct answer is option B, does not flow. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 27 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effect. Which one is not a reason for excessive current in electric circuits? A. Direct touching of wires. C. In domestic usage, you may have observed one is red, another one is blue or black color line, insulated wire. Here, one is positive, another one is neutral line. That positive line contains positive charges, neutral line contains negative charges. If they touch directly, then what happens? Overloading or short circuit happens. So, direct touching of wires cause excessive current in electric circuit. Option A is wrong. B. Overloading. Yes, this also causes excessive current in electric circuit. See this name itself is in overloading. Switch in off position. If switch is in off position, there is no electric current. There is no flow of electric current. So, there is no chance of excessive current in electric circuits. Option C is correct. What about option D? Short circuit. No, this is wrong. In case of short circuit, excessive current flows in electric circuit. Therefore, the correct option is option C, which is in off position. This is the correct one. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Retaking 28. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 28 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its effects. The correct symbol for cell is cell symbol. First one. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. This is incorrectly connected cell. This is one cell and this is another cell, but they are joined together to negative terminals, which means this connection is wrong. We have to connect negative positive terminal. Second one, yes, this is correct. This is the correct symbol for cell. This longer line represents positive terminal, shorter line represents negative terminal. This is cell. Third one, here multiple cells are connected, which means this is battery, not symbol of cell. Fourth one is fuse. Therefore, the correct option is option B, figure 2. The correct symbol for cell is as shown in figure 2. This is the correct one. Just draw one horizontal line, then vertical line, another small vertical line, again horizontal line. This is simple cell representation. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 29 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. The correct symbol for battery is made by connecting multiple cells. So here first symbol represents cell, not battery. This is wrong. In second one, there are multiple cells are present, but or two cells are present, but their connection is incorrect. So this is not battery. Third one, this one is battery. There are three cells are connected. See in this case, this is positive, this is negative terminal. This negative terminal connected to this positive terminal. This is the correct way of connection. But what about in second figure here? This negative terminal is connected to negative terminal of another cell. This is wrong connection. Now this third one is the correct option. Option C. Figure 3 is correct. What about fourth one? This fourth one represents glowing bulb. This is wrong option. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let's see question number 30 of NMMS Physics, chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Electrical appliances with more stars. What are the examples for electrical appliances? Electrical fan, iron box, television, AC. These are some of the examples for electrical appliances. Okay, electrical appliances, if they have more stars, which means A, consume less electricity, B, consume more electricity, C, both 1 and 2, D, can't say. If they consume less energy and give more uh, result, then they will be having more stars, which means here electrical appliances consume electricity. If they consume less electricity, then they are called, or appliances with more stars will consume less electricity. Electrical appliances with more stars will consume less electricity. Is the correct one. B, consume more electricity. Wrong. Retaking 30. Retaking 30. Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple Learning Solution. Let us see question number 30 of NMMS Physics chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Electrical appliances with more stars. What are the electrical appliances? Fan, AC, TV. These are some examples of electrical appliances. Electrical appliances with more stars. A consume less electricity, B consume more electricity, C both 1 and 2, D can't say. C electrical appliances with more stars, they consume less electricity and high energy efficiency. So the correct option is option A. Consume less electricity is the correct answer. For example, uh, if you consider electric bulb, if it consumes less electricity and produces more light, in that case, it will be having more stars like that. Thank you.